Let's, in the meantime, shift focus and get you details that are now coming in of the CCTV footage that has now thrown up a new twist in Bengaluru road rage incident that involves an IAF officer. The video that shows the Defence Research and Development Organization officer also attacking the alleged assaulter, confirming that both were said to be involved in a physical confrontation. The footage that has been accessed by us when it comes to the Wing Commander Aditya Bose and his wife approaching a man in a neon green jacket. Now, in that video, the officer appeared to have initiated the physical assault, with his wife also seen engaging in verbal abuse. Accordingly, what is being said that another footage shows the individual, as far as Bose himself, pushing the man on the road and repeatedly kicking and hitting him. Onlookers can be also seen trying to control and stop him for further assault as far as when it comes to the other individual is concerned. So there are various versions that are now coming across as far as this assault that has been reported. When it comes to the CCTV footages as well, where different angles are being investigated as far as this road rage incident that involves a certain IAF officer.
I am Wing Commander Shiladitya Bose, and this is my wife, Sergeant Leader Madhumita. We stay in DRDO. Today morning, my wife was driving me to the airport, and suddenly one bike came from behind, stopped in between. I will show you the video of my dashcam also. He came out, started abusing me in Kannada. Seeing that my car has a DRDO sticker, he says that you be DRDO people, and said many things in Kannada, and finally she abused my wife. Immediately he took his key in his hand and hit me on my head, taking my blood out. I stood there shouting that this is how you people defend whom we defend. More people came surprisingly and started abusing us, that we are doing wrong things, trying to hit my car. I trying to stop, he hit me on my head again. Here you can see the blood and see my condition.
So the video that you have been seeing that has been shared by when it comes to the IAF officer himself, and he posted it on social media showing his bloodied face, saying that he was attacked by a local resident while his wife was also allegedly abused. But when it comes to the murderous Bengaluru road rage incident that has been reported, we are getting to know that FIR has now been filed against the IAF officer. This is a big twist that is now emerging, where the police have now filed cases against the both sides that we are looking at, as far as when it comes to the multiple footages that have also come to light. How the situation, Pinky, did actually escalate from both sides? What is the story? Because now there seems to be a twist. Police is investigating both sides. Who confronted whom as far as when it comes to this very visible physical confrontation and assault had happened in the middle of the road?
Well, absolutely. And remember, yesterday when this particular video of the Wing Commander was in fact shared, there were many questions being raised as far as his attack was concerned, in this road rage incident. But clearly now that the CCTV footage has come, and what we have accessed in the CCTV footage is that a new twist completely, because in fact the officer has also attacked the alleged assaulter, and both of them in fact have been involved in this physical confrontation. The video that we have clearly shows as Wing Commander Aditya Bose and his wife approaching a man in a neon jacket, and in fact the bystanders then intervened and tried to separate both of them from this confrontation. And there are also verbal abuses as far as this entire incident is concerned. But also what we get to hear from the Pro Kannada organization also, that they have also come to support to Vikas Kumar, who has been arrested as far as this entire incident is concerned. So there is now a counter complaint has already also been filed against the IAF officer, that in fact he was the one who first attacked the Swiggy delivery boy Vikas Kumar, and the man who is seen in this particular CCTV footage, the neon jacket guy. So clearly now there are so many support that is also coming as far as this man is concerned. But however, immediately after this particular CCTV footage emerged, the entire story took a U-turn as far as all the allegations were concerned from the Indian Air Force officials. So clearly now the cops are investigating the entire matter and trying to find as to how this entire fight escalated.
The police,
Back to you.
however, has been saying that they are checking CCTV footages, cases that have been filed on both sides, saying that it is evident in the incident that it could have been avoided by both sides, also calling it as a case of road rage. For the moment, Pinky, thank you very much for joining in.